Greetings and welcome back to another exciting episode of Hands On with BLG. I am BLG, I am lefty, and I am righty. I don't know if you want to go out in the rain. No. Okay. He can hear the thunder and stuff. See? Cute puppies make me famous. There's a cute. Look at that cute puppy. He's nervous and stuff. He's panting and nervous. He can hear the thunder. He hates the boomies. Anyways, today, what we're going to make in the kitchen, BLG's galley and grill, as we say, we are going to do some cheese sticks, mozzarella cheese sticks. Very simple to do. First off, you need these little string cheese. Don't matter what brand, just these little string cheeses, right? Mozzarella string cheese. Need some of this? Cornstarch? Yes, cornstarch. Need some of that. You need an egg, well beaten, like that. And need some Italian style breadcrumbs. That's it. I got my oil over here in the deep fryer. It is preheated to 340 degrees. I've already put some cornstarch in this little bag here. This little bag here. Let me see. I want to see if I can get you where you can see. Yeah, okay, that'll work. Right there, looks good. Got the cheese sticks. I got 10 of them in here. In a bag in the cornstarch, and I shake them like this. See, the little bag, see? Very easy to do. Now we're going to reach in said cornstarch bag, grab one of these bad boys out, and we're going to smack off all the excess. We just want a nice fine coating, like that, see? In fact, that's a little bit much still. Just want a nice fine coating on him. It makes a mess. Cornstarch goes everywhere, I know. Now we're going to roll him in the egg, like this. See? Roll him in the egg, just like this. Nice and easy. Put some on the ends. Pick him up. I'm going to drain off some of this excess here. Then we're going to go in the breadcrumbs. We're going to breadcrumb him up. Just like so. Roll him around. You can do the breadcrumbs in the bag too. I just had a paper plate already sitting here, so didn't worry about it so much. And this way I can get control. See, about like that. We got one of them done there. Looking pretty good. Got a booger on him. Got a little bugger on him, alright. We'll get this next one out. Get the excess off of this one. That. Just like so. Don't want too much, just enough. Like I said, it makes a mess. See? Mess. So anyways, I'll leave you there. Roll this in the egg. Like I said, you can make a whole package of these if you want to. Make as many or little as you want. I just do like 10 at a time. Then I bar snack like 6 of them or 5 of them, usually, you know, with some marinara sauce that I heat up and dip them, and they're really good. And they don't take long to cook neither. I'll show you when I get these done ready here. But basically that's what we're doing. Take this one out, knock all the excess off of it, beat the devil out of it like Bob Ross, beat the devil out of it, paintbrushes. There we go. Get that off my fingers. I'm going to roll this around in the egg. Basically that. And some on the end, some on this end. Shake off the excess to the breadcrumbs. Basically just like this. That's 3 of them. Getting ready to go here. Get a nice breadcrumby coating on him right there like that there, mate. Terrible Australian. I'm sorry for any Australians. But that's basically how that works. I'm going to get the rest of them ready. And we'll see you back here. We're going to fry these bad boys. Okay, folks, we're back. We've got our little basket here. Like this, right? We're going to take and put cheese sticks in Mr. Basket. Mr. Basket. Or 5. I think I'll do 5 at a time. 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we're going to do 5 at a time. So take these guys, 340 degrees, give them a little shake, drop them. Down they go. Down the hatch. We'll get us a paper plate with a paper towel. Get us a paper plate with some paper towel, just like so. Set that right here for to catch these bad boys on, right here like that, see? Yeah, like that, see? Let these guys fry up just for a little bit. They might explode a little bit on you, but that's just fine. Don't worry about it. We'll brown these up a little. See the cheese kind of bugging out? There we go. Drain them off. Boom. Onto there. Pop some more. The last 5. I'm doing 10 today. And pop them down in here. Give them a little shake. Drop them in. All there is to it. Give them just a minute. Let the cheese get sticky. Whoa, that one's really wanting to fall apart. These other ones, oh, look at that. Good stuff. They'll firm back up a little bit. Just give them a few minutes or whatnot. This guy here has just went ape shit. Alright, just a touch more. We'll pop these guys out and get them on a plate. Move these guys a little bit. Make room for these other ones. There we go. Just a couple of seconds, all it takes, folks. Bring these guys out here. Boom. Pop them on the plate. Shut off your oil. Whenever you're done, shut off your oil. Unplug your fryer. You can fry these up and deep fry them in a skillet too, a pan. Whatever you got handy. Does the trick. And yeah, they're very tasty. Very good stuff. And like I said, they're very easy to make. And there you have it, folks. Wipe all this off here. A little bit of grease I got on the counter. And look at this. There you have it. Yep. Cheese sticks. Ready for some marinara sauce. Good stuff, people. So I hope you like this quick little episode. If it starts storming really cool, I will add to this video, I think. Or to the other one. No, I'll add to this one. And we'll see if it starts storming real bad. So far, it was supposed to start at 8. It's 9:43 now. Quarter to 10 almost. And nothing yet. A few grumbles off in the distance. So anyways, for now, for Hands On with BLG, for BLG, I am BLG. I am Lefty. I am Righty. We'll catch you guys back here in the next exciting episode. Goodbye! Hands On with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes sirree. Hands On with BLG. Stick around and learn from me.